everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. A couple of things I wanted to share with you before we get started on today's video. Catalog, you guys, it goes live today, yay, which means everybody can order from the catalog. But there are a few things that are currently you're unable to order. Stampin' Up has had some delays with some of the shipping, so I just wanted to let you know what those are. And unfortunately, we are not able to order the Big Plans Planner Kit as well as the refill. So right now, this page 10, you will not be able to order this. I will keep you informed when the shipment does come in. That, and then all the Stampin' Blends, you will not be able to order the new ones. So yeah, just keep that in mind, the Stampin' Blends and then the Big Plans Planner Kit. But for today's tip, it is Friday. I have been off for a little bit. What a great time I had. But I wanted to talk about this delightfully detailed, and it's a stamp with the coordinating punch, and if you purchase this together, you bundle them and you save 10%. But I found I had a little bit of trouble lining up my stamp with the punch. So I found a way to kind of help me so that I would line it up properly every time. Now, this punch has 3 different punch outs that it does, whereas this is just one punch. Also, this punch, you got to unlock it in order to use it, but this punch you do not. It's just ready to use. So I found I have block A, and I could never seem to line it up properly. I had a hard time all the time. Like every time I tried, it would be wrong. Now, we used to carry a Stampin' which would have been perfect, but we don't carry that anymore, so yeah. So you got to just make do with what you got. So I've got some Grapefruit Grove. Love the new way the stamp pads open. And you just push it down. So I have just a scrap piece of paper. You want to slot it in. You will notice there is a slot dent over there, and there's one there as well. And that is going to slide your cardstock in, and your cardstock is going to stop right there, okay? And then you want to press it in and punch. Yeah, beautiful. Lovely little corner accent there. So with the stamp, I lined up the stamp to each end, making sure that it was, you know, on each end here lined up perfect. I ink up my stamp, and then I'm going to line up this corner and this corner with the corner of my paper. Now, I may have to stick my head in the camera because it's kind of difficult to try and do it when you're on camera. So I may either have to pull it away or get my head in the camera, but I'm sure you don't want to see my big head, so I will pull it towards me. But all I'm doing is so all I did was I lined up this edge with the paper and this edge with the paper and pressed it down. And so now, instead of getting a little skew wampus, it's better. So I hope you found today's tip helpful. If you are needing a catalog, please reach out to me, send me an email. All those that I did send catalogs out to, I hope you got them. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy this video, you guys, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you won't miss any videos that I do. If you're in the US and you are looking for a catalog, send me an email. I will have a link down in the description below as well. And yeah, if you head on over to my website, www.stampwithshar.com, I do post projects every weekday to inspire you. I did take a little time off now to be with my family, which I let everybody know. But I am back. Yay! Thank you so much, you guys. Have a great day. Have an awesome weekend. Be safe, and I'll see you here again on Monday. Take care.